On green, I'm going for it.
Motherfucker.
Fuck me!
With safety first and always in their minds, the traffic bureaus throughout the country everywhere have given motorists the guidance of signal lights to tell them when to stop and tell them when to go in safety.
Enjoy, and I don't have a beer, and you know.
Yep. Whoa. Whoa, you absolute moron.
To be a Canberra Business Chamber member, visit canberrabusiness.com.
You idiot.
Another quiet.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, here we fucking go. Fuck off. What the fuck is that?
Slow! Man, you too slow! Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
Go back. It's one way, mate.
And fucking what? Move.
You fucking move your
On the
cockhead.
back of the fucking ear or what?
Look at the fucking road.
I didn't see the road. I'm not from here. You want to make an issue of it?
Fuck off, idiot.
For some unimaginable struggle. He did
Well,
not
that's
know
pretty
what to
fucking
expect.
clever.
She had thought it an expression of a deepened understanding between
Dickhead.
a deeper friendship. Undone, and that the spell of binding at last was broken, and that
It has all different colours. There was a little store.
Oh, no. Do you have any actual scientific evidence?
What a tosspot.
to a
Reference the unequivocally disproven work of discredited. Oh, I nearly gave you my home number again. 04. What is our number? I don't. Break in the cycle of your brain. Ross,
You're a wanker, mate.
0422.
An absolute
You don't know
fucking
either.
wanker.
Oh, no, it's not. I'm talking to Ross on the other side of our. No. Nobody.
What are you doing?
What in the fuck are you waiting for?
Mate, really? What the heck? I want to break free. I want to break free.
Mert úgy vagy trendű, hadd halljak körülötted mindenki, és légy büszke magadra, és légy büszke rám, és hidd azt, hogy csak neked szól ez a szám. És ne gondolkodj, de bizniszre.
Look at this fucking idiot! Fucking moron.
Life's like a road that you travel on. There's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore, where the brave are free and lovers soar. Come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. Yeah. If you're going my way, well, I wanna drive it all night long. Gimme, 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 yeah.
It's alright, you don't have to.
Fucking idiot. That can go to Scotty.
Is this true? Yes, it's true.
Wait. 2 in a row for Scotty.
Is that a fact?
Mayday, 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 mayday.